Aloha everyone. So something a little bit different for today's video. We're actually going to go on an adventure to a different island. I'm standing on Maui right now. The island across the channel from Maui's west side is Molokai, the one I'm looking at right behind me here in the background. I recently helped a client purchase a vacation rentable condo on the island of Molokai, and I figured this would be a good opportunity for us to talk about exactly what Molokai has to offer. Let's jump right into it. Traveling to Molokai can be a fun adventure in itself. Currently, the only way to get to Molokai is by small aircraft. There are direct flights from both Maui and Oahu. Taking a flight to Molokai can be a breathtaking experience. The views of Molokai from the air are incredible. The flight is usually short, lasting only 20 to 30 minutes, but the aerial views of rugged Molokai coastline, including the famous Molokai Sea Cliffs, are unforgettable. These towering cliffs rise up to 3,000 feet above the Pacific Ocean and stretch for more than 17 miles along Molokai's north shore. One of the most impressive features of Molokai is the island's west side beaches. Unlike the crowded beaches on Maui, Oahu, and Kauai, there's a good chance that you'll be able to enjoy these pristine white sandy beaches all by yourself. As of 2021, Molokai's population was right around 7,500 people, and the island seems to receive significantly fewer visitors when compared to the other major Hawaiian islands, making Molokai an incredible place to visit to unwind and relax. My favorite vacation condos on the island are located on the west side, right next to these pristine beaches. When I travel to Molokai, I tend to stay at Ke Nani Kai on Molokai's west side. This is also the community that I helped one of my clients recently purchase into. The landscaping is kept lush and tropical, and the amenities include a tennis court and pickleball area, not to mention this gorgeous pool and hot tub area. Okay, let's take a quick tour of the property I helped my client purchase. This is Ke Nani Kai Unit 118. The property has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and has an excellent location within the community. The views from the lanai are impressive. Overlooking the tropical green space, you do get a nice view of the ocean and beach off in the distance. And one of my favorite features of this particular condo is exactly how private it feels. Without any buildings in your view plane, you have the opportunity to melt into the natural landscape. Okay, let's take a quick tour of the interior. This unit recently went through an extensive remodel. Most of the other condos in this community are a bit outdated or standard at best. With the recent remodel of this unit, it feels more like a luxury retreat. Each of the private bedroom suites have attached bathrooms with spa-like finishes. Before we finish the tour, I just want to quickly mention that this is an active vacation rental. I'm going to provide a link in the description down below to the rental portal. If you plan to visit Molokai, I highly recommend you book this unit. There's also some more details on the property with beautiful photos. You're going to want to take a look for yourself. I promise you won't be disappointed. Okay, let's finish the quick property tour. Textured plank flooring complements timeless Venetian plaster walls and grass cloth ceilings, giving this a unique Molokai flavor. The custom kitchen is well equipped with stainless steel sink and up-to-date appliances, everything you need to prepare your favorite meals while on vacation. I should also quickly mention that there is a washer and dryer in the unit. It's not shown in the video, but just be aware that there is a washer and dryer for your convenience. Okay, we'll finish up the tour by taking a look at the second bedroom. It is well equipped. You see that it does have a TV and access to a small little lanai area, along with the attached bathroom, which again has a more spa-like feel than your standard condotel unit. Now, most of my trips to Molokai have been for work, so I haven't gotten out to explore too much, but I can say that when I have gone out to explore, there's been a lot to see. I did take an afternoon to drive to Molokai's east side, and I'll say that the drive is quite spectacular, with gorgeous ocean views along the way, and it's definitely worth the trip if you have time to go check it out. I'd also recommend visiting the Kalaupapa Peninsula Overlook. The park here has a ton of historical information that's incredibly interesting. If you're interested in more information on real estate on Molokai, I'll provide a couple links from my website in the description down below. One will be for all of the real estate available on Molokai, including homes, condos, and land, and a second link specifically just for the vacation rentable condos that are on Molokai. I'm going to leave you with this beautiful Molokai sunset, and just a quick reminder that if you haven't already done so, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more relevant real estate content throughout the Hawaiian Islands. Until we see you on the next video, aloha.